Good morning everyone. Now today we will discuss the volume of cylinder. Earlier class we discussed volume of cube and cuboid. Now today we will discuss volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder can be obtained as the base area into height. Base area is pi r square, that is area of circular region, and height is h. So we will get pi r square into h, that is pi r square h. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Okay. Now we will do the exercise 13.6, question number 1. Now here the circumference of the base of a cylinder, which is vessel. So circumference of a base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter, and the height of the cylindrical vessel is 25 centimeter. We need to find how much it can hold. It can hold means capacity. So circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 132, which is circumference. From here we will calculate r, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132. So on calculation we are getting r is equal to 21 centimeter. Now height is given 25 centimeter. So volume is equal to pi r square h, that is 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 25. On calculating we are getting 34,650 centimeter cube, which is the capacity. Now capacity must be in what? In liter. So what we will do, 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So we will divide by 1000. We are getting 34.6 liter. That will be the capacity of this cylindrical vessel. Thus the vessel can hold 34.65 liter of water. Okay. Now coming to next question, that is question number 2. Now in this question, the inner diameter of a cylindrical vessel or the cylindrical wooden pipe, inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has 0.6 gram. Okay. So here pipe is hollow. So inner diameter is given how much? 24 centimeter. So inner radius will be how much? 12 centimeter, because 24 divided by 2, that is 12 centimeter. Outer diameter is 28 centimeter. So outer radius will be 14 centimeter. Length of the pipe means height, that is 35 centimeter. So length will be equal to 35 centimeter. Now we need to find amount of wood in this pipe used. So that will be the outer volume minus inner volume. So outer volume is pi capital R square into h minus pi small r into h. So pi h taken it common, and r square minus r square, that can be used as a square minus b square, r plus r minus r. Substitute all those values. After calculation we are getting 25, 2 into 5 into 26 into 2. So mass of the wood which is used in this pipe is equal to mass of the wood in 1 centimeter cube of the wood into volume of the wood. So mass will be how much? 0.6 gram into 22 into 5 into 26 into 2. On calculation we are getting 3432 gram. Convert into kg, divide by 1000. We are getting 3.432 kg. So the required mass of the pipe is 3.432 kg. Okay. Coming to next one. Now in this question, one soft drink is available in two packs. In two different kind of pack is there. One is the tin with a rectangular base of length 5 centimeter, width 4 centimeter, having a height as 15 centimeter. And one is a plastic cylindrical can, or the plastic cylindrical with a circular base of diameter 7 centimeter and height as 10 centimeter. Which container has the greater capacity that it can hold? So we need to find capacity means volume. Here capacity means volume. So volume of cuboid and volume of cylinder we will calculate. Okay. So solution we will do for the rectangular pack. Length is 5, breadth is 4, height is 15. So volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H, 5 into 4 into 15, that is 300 centimeter cube. That is the capacity of a rectangular box or the rectangular tip, 300 centimeter cube. Now for cylinder or the cylindrical pack, diameter is 7, so radius becomes 7 by 2, height is 10. I have taken 3.5 when we will divide 7 by 2. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h, 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 10. After calculation, getting 385 centimeter cube. So the capacity, we can say that the cylinder pack is having greater capacity. It is asked by how much, so we will write by subtraction also. The cylindrical pack has a greater capacity by 385 centimeter cube minus 300 centimeter cube, which is equal to 85 centimeter cube. Now see question number 4. In this question it is said that if the lateral surface area of a cylindrical is given as 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter. One cylinder is there whose lateral surface area is 94.2. Its height is 5 centimeter. We need to find radius and the volume. Let's begin the solution. Height is given as 5 centimeter and lateral surface area, radius we will assume as r. Okay, whenever it is not mentioned we will assume as r. So since lateral surface area is 94.2, we will use here pi as 3.14 because in decimal we will get the answer. Okay, so lateral surface area is 2 pi rh. So 2 into 3.14 into r into 5 is equal to 94.2. On calculation we are getting r is equal to 3 centimeter. Thus the radius of the cylinder is 3 centimeter and volume we know pi r square h, so 22 by 7 into 3 into 3 into h, that is 5, or 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 5. On calculating we will get 141.3 centimeter cube. That is the volume. I hope till this it is clear. Rest we will discuss in next class.